Oh, it just takes time. Alright, we're carrying on. And we're starting to get some little bubbling happening, which is what we hope for. And the bubbling will get more vigorous when we start to boil the water so we can make our Ichiban. It's making a very pleasing sound, like what you might get at a Japanese garden. Stay off in that waterfall. Tough crowd. So hopefully you can hear what's going on as well as see it. We're getting more and more bubbles. Is it getting toasty for your hand, or are you doing alright?
Toasty.
Toasty. So you can always swap the other hand, as long as you don't destroy the whole lab, in which case we have to yell. With surgical precision, she's swapping hands. We do have a spare lab assistant in case the first one is killed by this activity. Anything for the video. They're very committed. So now it is bubbling quite happily. We're going to go like this for about another minute. And then our lab assistant will continue to hold it down while our other lab assistant turns off the gas. Some of the finest green tea you'll ever see. Toasty? Not as bad, so we'll just keep toasting this for hours. That sounds very unsafe. That's a good sign. Now at this point we want to film, and what we're going to try to show you is that inside the little beaker it appears to be empty. In other words, all of the green liquid has been pushed out while we're doing this. We're going to go for another 10 seconds, and then our other lab assistant will turn off the gas. Alright, we can turn off the gas. We still have to hold it down with the beaker tongs, and then we wait for developments. Yeah, and something eventually should happen if we're really patient. And now things are starting to change. So in fact, she should not even have to have the beaker tongs there. She can lift them off. So that's the after cooling. That's what you'd sketch and describe. And that is what we call a pretty nice job. and a good way to fill an upside down beaker. So that's it.